44 years ago, in 1975, India saw its darkest phase when then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared emergency across the country. It was issued by then President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed under Article 352A of the Constitution. It lasted 21 long months, beginning from 25th June 1975 until 21st March 1977. Hello friends, I am Sipsuraj. Welcome back to my channel Extra Talks. In 1974, a student group by Bihar Chhatra Sangha Samiti received the support of Gandhian socialist Jayaprakash Narayan, referred to as JP, against the Bihar government. Meanwhile, in Patna, JP called the total revolution, asking students, peasants and labor unions to non-violently transform Indian society. He also demanded the dissolution of the state government, but this was not accepted by the center. Another significant movement was the Navnirman movement in Gujarat between December 1973 and March 1974. Rajnaran filed cases of election fraud and use of state machinery for election in the Allahabad High Court. He had been defeated in the 1971 parliamentary election by Indira Gandhi. This was for the first time that a Prime Minister was cross-examined in the court. Allahabad High Court found Indira Gandhi guilty and declared her election null and void and unseated her from Lok Sabha. Indira Gandhi challenged Allahabad High Court's decision in the Supreme Court. Justice V.R. Krishnan Iyer on 24 June 1975 upheld the High Court judgment and ordered all privileges Gandhi received as an MP must be stopped and that she would be debarred from voting. Indira Gandhi had told the goal of the 21-month-long emergency in the country was to control internal disturbance. She justified her steps in terms of national interest, primarily based on three grounds: India's security and democracy, rapid economic development, and the upliftment of the underprivileged groups, and also the intervention of powers from abroad which could destabilize and weaken India. The Gandhi government laid out some rules for the journalists across the country and they were told about guidelines to follow. All the newspapers in the country were asked to take permission before publishing anything by the press advisor. Most of the Gandhi's political opponents were imprisoned during the emergency period. Some of them were veteran BJP leaders, then Janata Party leaders L.K. Advani and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, J.P. Narayan, who spent months in jail during emergency. Later, Advani addressed the media and said, "You were asked only to bend, but you crawled." Several other human rights violations were reported from the time, including a forced mass sterilization campaign spearheaded by Sanjay Gandhi, the Prime Minister's son. The period of emergency in India is considered as the darkest phase of independent India. The provision of showing internal rebellion as the reason for imposing emergency was also removed afterwards. Surely it is a clear example of misutilization of power by Congress government.